Hello everyone, I'm Nupur from Sakhi Boutique, Bangalore. I know it's been a long time, but koi nahi, let's start. Today I'll be showing very beautiful casual wear collection. Some kurtis will be with pants, some will be with dupatta, and some will be only kurtis. So, and price range will be up to rupees 1500. That's it. So let's start with the first piece. This is the first piece. It's a very beautiful modal cotton fabric. ये पूरा, this is not black, this is blue and मेहंदी ग्रीन का कॉम्बिनेशन है. ये पूरे योक पे there's हैंड वर्क. ये पूरा वर्क जो है हाईलाइटेड है with हैंड वर्क. there's mirror, there's thread work, everything is there, so it is highlighted. and ये बहुत ही सुंदर कुर्ती है. बैक इज सेम and sleeves are also, I mean, there's no handwork on the sleeves, it is complete print, but handwork is there only on the yoke part. And this comes with a very beautiful sharara. It's a 3-layer sharara. It's in mustard yellow color. This is the combination. But since it has many colors, like it has red, it has yellow, there are many colors, so you can pair it with red pant also, yellow pant also. If you don't want to wear sharara, you can pair it with many things. So this is the first piece. Beautiful piece, very attractive. And this is available till size XXL. Next is baby pink color kurti. This is the fabric, grey colored fabric which is attached on the yoke. Button detailing is there. Here there's gotapatti work on the yoke. Gotapatti work is there, and also hand work is there, like anchor thread, cut dana, pearl work, everything is there on the yoke. Beautiful combination. It's a self-designed kurti, self-designed fabric with foil print all over. The back is same. This part is highlighted, and this comes with a pant. This comes with a beautiful pant. This is the pant. It's a grey colored pant, self-designed, very beautiful pant. Beautiful combination. You can see it's a beautiful and rare combination. Very nice combination. Next piece is this. It's a grey colored kurti. Again in cotton fabric, very good quality cotton fabric. The sleeves are highlighted with handwork with gotapatti. There is print all over the kurti, which is highlighted with little bit of sequins and thread work. It is highlighted. Yoke is also highlighted with the gotapatti work. This is the full look of the kurti. Very subtle grey color, very beautiful color. And this comes with this pant. Can you see? Beautiful combination. Very comfortable, very breezy, summer friendly, and simple casual wear. Very beautiful. Next is a yellow colored kurti. This is a turmeric yellow color kurti, and it is also self-designed, but the prints are highlighted, like it's foil print se highlighted hai. Back is same. This is the kurti. Yoke is highlighted with gotapatti work, and the neck is also highlighted. This is the sleeves. Again, gotapatti is there. Beautiful piece. And this also comes with a pant. Very beautiful print on the pant also. Very nice color combination, very nice. Simple, subtle, summer friendly, breezy, very good combination. मतलब देख के लग रहा है कि सो summer friendly. बहुत ही अच्छा कलर है, बहुत सुंदर. So now moving on to the next piece. This is a red colored cherry red colored kurti with गोटा पत्ती ऑन द योक. इट्स इन इक्कत प्रिंट. ये इक्कत प्रिंट में है. बहुत सिंपल सोबर सा पीस है. स्लीव्स पे भी गोटा पत्ती वर्क है. बहुत ही सिंपल कुर्ती बट ब्यूटीफुल वन. पहनोगे तो बहुत सुंदर लगोगे. इट कम्स विद अ दुपट्टा. दुपट्टा इज इन कॉटन, मल कॉटन फैब्रिक में दुपट्टा है. द बॉर्डर इज द सेम एज कुर्ती. बॉर्डर में सेम फैब्रिक लगाया हुआ है. प्योर कॉटन का दुपट्टा है. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पीस. You can pair it with any white or red colored pant. It will look very good. And all the pieces are available till size XXL, so no issues. Yeah. This is the combination. Beautiful, beautiful combination. You can see the entire look. Very nice combination. Very beautiful piece. So that was all for the pant sets and dupatta sets. Now I'll move on to the simple only kurtis. Okay, so the first one is this one. It's in frock style. You can see the pattern. It's in frock style. Beautiful piece. इतना सुंदर कलर है. वेरी रेयर एंड पीचिश कलर. एंड यू कैन सी ये इस तरह से स्लीव्स पे एंड इधर हेम पे इस तरह से ये नेट का उस तरह ऐड किया हुआ है. एंड अलॉन्ग विथ टैसल्स. वेरी नाइस थ्रेड टैसल्स. इधर पॉम पॉम लगाए हुए हैं बहुत सुंदर से. इधर भी टैसल्स है. स्लीव्स ऐसे है. बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर पीस. स्मार्ट पीस. यू कैन वेयर इट एज अ लाइक ड्रेस ऑल्सो. सिंगल ड्रेस ऑल्सो विल लुक वेरी गुड. पूरे फैब्रिक में सेल्फ डिज़ाइनिंग है बट इट इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक थ्रेड का डिज़ाइनिंग है. एंड ऑल्सो द फैब्रिक इज़ ऑल्सो डिज़ाइंड, सेल्फ डिज़ाइंड है. एंड इधर में ये हैंड वर्क है. बहुत ही सुंदर. This is the entire look. It will look very good if you wear it. It will look very good. Okay, so moving on to the next piece. So this is for all those people who love to wear white or are looking specifically for white during Holi. Many people look for white dresses, so this is for them. So this is the piece. It's in double layer. Like it is a kurti. एंड उसके अंदर ये एक इनर भी है. इनर में ओम्ब्रे शेड है. वेट आई शो. दिस इज ओम्ब्रे शेड. सो नीचे पूरा नेवी ब्लू की शेडिंग है एंड ऊपर पूरा वाइट है सो दैट इट डजंट लुक ट्रांसपेरेंट. एंड इधर पूरा ये हैंडवर्क, थ्रेड वर्क एंड सीक्वेंस वर्क है. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल पीस. स्लीव्स है ऐसे. स्मार्ट है, सुंदर है, अच्छा लगेगा पहना हुआ. एंड बैक इज प्लेन. बैक इज प्लेन. आप इसको मल्टीपल वेज में पहन सकते हो. लाइक यू कैन वेयर दिस कुर्ती ओनली अलॉन्ग विद पैंट. सेपरेटली पहन सकते हो. एंड जो इनर है, आई शो यू द इनर ऑल्सो. जो इनर है दैट यू कैन वेयर पेयर विद अ डेनिम जैकेट. इट विल लुक वेरी नाइस. और यू कैन वेयर इट विद दिस कॉम्बिनेशन ऑल्सो, द वन दैट आई एम शोइंग. सो दिस इज द इनर which is inside it. So you can pair it with a denim jacket and a neck piece. It will look very good. Or you can wear it like the one that I showed. So this is the piece. Another beautiful piece is coming. This is with a jacket. It's in peachish pink color, dark peach color, and it comes with a denim jacket. The tassels are like Jaipuri fabric पे tassels हैं. और same fabric is used on the jacket also. It comes with a pocket. both sides पे pocket है. both sides पे pocket है. और combination बहुत ही सुंदर है. बहुत smart piece है. very casual but festive wear types. बहुत अच्छा है. So you can simply go for this piece. very nice piece. स्लीव्स प्लेन है. स्लीव्स में कुछ नहीं. इसको भी आप दो तरीके से पहन सकते हो. लाइक यू कैन वेयर इट ओनली दिस कुर्ती ऑल्सो. यू कैन वेयर ओनली दिस कुर्ती ऑल्सो. इट विल नॉट लुक बैड. विल लुक वेरी गुड. सिंपल सा कुर्ती है. और यू कैन वेयर इट विद दिस जैकेट एंड यू कैन कंबाइन दिस जैकेट ऑल्सो विद सम अदर ड्रेस. सो मल्टीपल यूजेस. अनदर वन कमिंग. अनदर वाइट, ऑफ वाइट काइंड ऑफ kurti. So it okay. So this is also an off-white color but combined with pink color in between, so it gives a good highlighting to the fabric. And this is also highlighted with katha work on the yoke. Only on the yoke part the katha work has been done to highlight it. And sleeves पे भी ये fabric ऐसे add किया गया है so that it looks good, gives a break. And sleeves पे भी इस तरह से ये thread work है. Bottom में भी same fabric add किया गया है. You can see bottom में भी same fabric है. So this is also for the people who love white or off white, who love to wear light shades or are looking for it during this season. So you can go for it. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Very nice, smart piece. And simple, ये इस कुर्ती की ना simplicity ही इसकी beauty है. It's very beautiful, simple, beautiful, elegant piece. Nice, very nice piece. Now another piece, another Jaipuri kind of dress. This also comes in two pieces. Like inside there's a there's inner kind of thing, but it comes with a lot of flare. It comes with a lot of flare, so it's like an anarkali kind of thing. उसके ऊपर ये जयपुरी pattern में jacket है, which is highlighted with handwork. Like there's mirror work all over, so very beautiful combination. And same way it can be used in multiple ways. This is the combination, beautiful combination. This is maroon color, this is maroon color, and this is ochre yellow, mustard yellow, you can say. बहुत सुंदर piece है. Back is like this, comes with bell sleeves, and sleeves पे भी thread से highlighting की हुई है, तो बहुत ही सुंदर है. And beautiful, beautiful combination. बहुत सुंदर combination, बहुत smart piece, elegant piece. Looks like festive wear. It's not very heavy, but it will give you a festive look. Yes. So now moving on to the last piece of the day. Again in off-white color. It's in jute cotton fabric. Jute cotton fabric में है. Is one side पे there is highlighting with thread work, and sequence work is also there. Buttons are also highlighted with thread work. बाकी पूरी कुर्ती बहुत सिंपल, सटल, सोबर सा है. जूट कॉटन फैब्रिक है, so obviously it's 100% cotton, pure cotton fabric. Summer friendly, holy friendly, you can say whatever you want. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Simple, sober, beautiful piece. So that was all for the day. I hope you all like my collection, and if you like it, you can place the order on the given number, which is 84310696772. You can message me on Instagram and Facebook as well. For any queries, I'll be available, and you can place your orders there. So that was all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.